In this video, we'll see how we can create mega menu in WordPress website for free. Okay, we need to set up it. Let's go. Here I am logged into WordPress. Now what I will do, I will install a plugin through which will add mega menu very easily. Okay, it will be very easy and for free. So we need to just set up it properly. For that, first we'll install it and you have need to go through all the steps in this video that how you can add menu. Activate. Here you can see my mega menu. Go here. First, what we'll do, we need to enable for header. Now just don't do anything, just leave it. Now mega menu is enabled for header only. Now we will go on menu. Now here currently you can see my website has this basic menu. This is nothing, simple menu. Here, here you can see this is simple menu. Now here you can see it is enabled. If it is not enabled, you need to enable it. Then only it will work. Now here we will set up mega menu. In each section you can see mega menu option. Click on setting. First what we'll do, we'll go to here grid layout. Click on add row. Now here suppose I want to create 2 to 3 column as per your requirement. You can select on setting. You can select the width of row from here. I want full width. I have selected 12 column. Now I want to divide each column in 4. So I will add column 4 here, increase it to 4 and 4 here. Now what I will do, now we will add menu in this section. Suppose so I will, here you can see in widget section you can get all the options that are available, like category, custom HTML, navigation menu, anything you want to add. Text you can add as per your requirement. First I will select text and here I will write title as sub menu 1, and here I will add a menu heading. Then inside that I don't need custom HTML as of now. If you want you can write custom HTML here. I will add another submenu inside it. Here you can see. Now here I will add widget. Here I will say text. I will add here. Go on setting. Now here again, here select the menu, primary menu, save, and third in section I want to add suppose image. Click on setting, add the image, add image, save. Now here it is save menu, and we'll see how it will look. Now here you can see menu is showing and text is showing, but here you can see I'm not able to see the text that I have added. Go to menu, go on setting, you need to save everything, then it will only show. That's why it is not showing. It was not showing. You need to click on save. And now it will show here. Here you can see submenu 1, submenu 2. It's not that good. So what we'll do, we'll style it. Here in go to custom CSS, click on spec. We will remove the spacing as per requirement if we want. Menu, you can see 2 menus are showing, and then you can remove the spacing as per requirement. You can check the alignment. This is a simple mega menu. You can add any type using custom HTML, anything you can want to add. You can add with the mega menu, simply added. You can add on any section, even in sub menu you can add if you want to add. You can, there are multiple options of adding style, like I want to create a row, Suppose I only want it of 3 row. I can select here and save. Now here all the menu are aligned into single row. If I don't want that width, I can change. So you can style as per your requirement. Very simple, and you can leave it here. You can style design part here. Fade up, fast, non, advanced, menu theme. Suppose what do you want, how it will look, index, margin, padding, keyword, hover effect. So these are some styling option you can change as per your requirement and style it. For that way you can easily create mega menu in your WordPress website for free. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my